This place in Sharjah looks like a scary oasis. Located in Al Madam Sharjah is the far from civilization Garaifa village. It is known as Buried Village, but other people call it in different spooky names due to its history and appearance. All you can see are sand dunes dominating this entire village. Bizarre silence and weird feeling surrounds over this empty place. This village has been abandoned after it was built in 1970s. According to stories, a mystical creature called Jinn drove people away. Others conclude that the harsh sandstorms encroaching the desert made the settlers leave this small town. However, it was reported that this place has been abandoned because the government provided residents with new houses in a nearby area. As you look around, you see houses halfway consumed by the sand. The cascading dunes, unique ancient appearance, and spooky vibes of this place attract many visitors around the world. This place is worth a visit if you want to explore the outskirts side of the city, but it's advisable to come in group for safety reasons. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Watch until the end.